I'm very tired. I've been recording for many hours, but let's go. Task 11. Modifying file contents. And I do this because I love you guys, my big, beautiful bastards. So modifying file context. So task 11 asks, create a playbook called Ansible issue blah, 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 blah. The playbook runs on all hosts. Let me just reset my console. Yeah. The playbook replaces the contents of etc issue with a single line of file like this one. On host dev group should read development, on host group should read test, and host on a product group should be production. Fun! Again, very common task. Google search will reveal it, which is true. Okay, this is a very common task. Well, not with these specific names, of course, but it's a very common task to replace contents of files with a playbook. Okay, it's very normal to alter file contents. It's very normal to alter file contexts. Not context, file contents with any other content. So it's a very common task to perform in the real world. So I had my own template already at the ready, so this one was quite easy to do. So let's check the issue.yaml thingamajiggy. So contents of the etc issue with a single file. I have this playbook at the ready for the longest time, so it was easy for me just to reuse it. Okay. So it's going to run on all, okay? This is going to run on development. This is going to be run on test. This is going to run on production. So copy the content, copy this new line to the etc issue when event or host name is in groups dev. So basically add the development line here if it's part of this group, add the test here if it's part of this group, add this guy here, if it's production. So if it's part of dev, add this there. If it's part of test, add this there. If it's part of prod, add this there. Okay. And I think that's pretty much it. So let's see, I don't know, development, who belongs to development. Yeah, development. So who belongs to development? Development, it's server D. Okay, server D. Let's focus on server D, shall we? So Ansible playbook, issue.yaml. Yes, you can use Ansible Navigator or use whatever you want, man, at this point. It doesn't matter. Okay, so SSH server D, get etc issue. There you go. Wait, test? Server D is on test. So let's go to server A, cat etc issue. Oh, interesting. Server A. It's on balancer. We're not running this on balancer. Let's go to server B. So it's normal for server A not having that there. So get etc issue production. So server B. Where is my console? I lost console. It's back. So server B is not on production. And it is. So let's check server C. Should be also production. Yeah, it works. It's fine. Just sorry for the thingamajiggy. So let's check this again. Issue. So if it's on development, it will write development on etc issue. If it's on test, it's going to write test on the issue. If it's on production, it will write production on the etc issue. Task 11, it's done. Woo! Like, subscribe, comment if it helps. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm going crazy, guys.